Hello friends, welcome back to the mini video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends, we are going to talk about guys how can we turn off eyes protection mode setting in our Redmi phone. When you want to off guys your eyes protection mode setting, so then you can off it. And friends, now let's see how to off eyes protection mode in our Redmi phone. Today I will show you in this video. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon and like my video. So friends, we will on our phone setting to turn off guys this eyes protection mode. And friends, you can see guys your skin color is different. So how can you so this setting also, so guys scroll it friends, you can see phone display setting guys, tap here guys. So guys you can see guys your reading mode option guys, tap here. So friends, we call it guys eyes protection mode setting guys, and guys you can see your adjust setting guys, you can adjust guys your brightness setting. But guys you want to off, so you can off from this right side guys, tap here to off. And we will off by schedule option also. So your eyes protection mode will off, and guys you can see skin color is normal. So like that guys, you want to off guys your eyes protection mode, so you can off it. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys, we will meet on next video with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like the video, subscribe the channel. Bye bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.